Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to install VLC Media Player, one of the most popular media players out there. So it's free, open source, and supports almost all video and audio formats. First, we'll go to the VLC official website. So open your browser and type www.videolan.org. Then next is on the home page, click the download VLC button. This will download the installer for your operating system. Now that we now once the download is complete, open the installer file. You might see a security prompt asking for permission to make changes to your device. Click yes to continue. The VLC wizard will appear. Click next to proceed. You'll see the license agreement. Read through it if you like, then click next. Next, you can choose the installation location. I recommend keeping the default path unless you have a specific preference. Then click install. The installation process will take a few moments. Once it's done, click finish. VLC will now be installed on your computer. Let's open VLC to make sure everything works correctly. You'll see the main VLC interface ready to play your favorite videos and music. And that's it. You install VLC Media Player. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.